Hey, KRB fisherman. This is the first time we're at the creek. And yeah, Raymond and me here are fishing. In this water, there's like a ton of big. No, I don't want a bobber. Ton of giant perch, and there's some huge bass looking around. Oh, you got the skinny beaners.
Yeah.
But oh crap. Yeah, I'm gonna go for some of these big perch.
Jumbo.
And if I catch one, I'll show you guys. Is it playing?
Yeah.
I caught our first fish here. A little perchy. Yeah, it's okay sizer. But yeah, I'm gonna let him back now.
Show him where we're fishing. We're fishing in this little, like...
I just caught him right here. There's massive perch here.
We've seen some really big bass,
that
too.
big perch.
Yeah, and we've seen some at least 3 or 4 pound bass.
Right.
Huge bass. All right.
Show them the release. Oh, dang.
He gone. All right, we'll see you when we catch another fish.
Beauty, Mom. Alright, Raymond just caught his first, our second fish.
Mom.
Mom. Dude, that's a perch. That's a, oh, it's a bluegill. Caught a nice bluegill. Beautiful. Ow, those things are so orange fins and like the bluegill. It's awesome looking. Oh man, these hooks are good.
That's so easy.
That is so beautiful right there.
All right, we're gonna get the release on this baby.
See how fast he goes. Put him right there.
Ready?
Wait. Yeah, go.
Oh man, he just... Oh, he was gone. He went.
All right, there's
Look at
one.
those big ones. Let's jump. Oh, let's go.
Good. Yeah, that's a biggie. All right, we'll get to you when we catch another fish.
Hopefully it won't be that long.
Raymond caught a fish here. It's a good one. Weird color. We'll get back to you. We get another one. All right, here's a release. I can't see because Raymond's in the way. Okay, go. I see him.
All right, we'll probably get another fish soon, and hopefully Cannon gets this one that we're playing. Cannon caught one of those beautiful ones.
Looks like one that Raymond caught earlier with the orange fins. But yeah.
You gonna get the release on this, baby?
Why not? Hey, you come over there and see.
Oh, there's a bass, but they can probably not see that. They can't. There's a bass over there, though.
So here we go.
He gone.
Oh, dude, there's a dude, soft turtle. That thing went fast. Oh. There's a bass right next to it.
Oh, I wish you guys could see it, but he's a decent bass. But I will catch you when we catch another fish. Then they go away.
All right, we're here in the same spot, but after Raymond catches another perchy, we're gonna move down to a different spot. And yeah, dude, that's a big one.
Can I see it?
Yeah. Over here, there's just a glare. So.
See, they're not hitting anymore right now.
All right, you want to move down now? No, wait a minute.
Oh, I don't see it anymore. I didn't see it anymore.
All right. We'll get you on catch another fish. Oh, right here. Oh, that's a dingster.
Alright.
Here.
I want to get the release on this baby, on this puppy.
Alright, let's go.
Right here.
Yeah, good luck. Alright. There we go. Oh, now he's gone. Alright, well, we're going to move down and get back to you if we catch some more fish. So, yeah.